Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we are going to learn the representation of relation. Okay. Previous video onwards, we had started learning the new concept that is relation. In that video, we had learned about what is a relation. Okay. Here in this video, we are going to learn the representation, how we can represent the relation. Okay. Here, there is a two method. There is a two method to represent the relation. Okay, that is first one is set builder method and second is roster method. You should not forget this word set builder and roster. Okay, there is two method to represent the relation, that is set builder method and roster method. Okay, now we can see what is set builder method. Set builder method, it's a way of describing the relation with the help of particular rule or particular condition. Okay, describing the relation using particular rule or a specific condition, that is a set builder method. Okay, if suppose in your hand you have set of even numbers, okay, in your hand you have set of even numbers that is less than 10. Okay, and then what could be the elements? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, you have 2, 4, 6, 8 in your hand. How you can describe this set of word using the particular rule or a condition? Now we can describe this particular set like x is equal to set of x. X means we have set of numbers in our hand, right? Each and every element we can denote as x. Okay, this is the rule. This is the rule or condition. This is the format you have to follow for describing the relation. Okay, x, how we can describe the set? X is equal to x such that x belongs to even number. Okay, even number and x less than 10. Okay, this is the particular, this is, we can say it's a condition or a rule. Okay, the way of describing the relation is set builder method. Okay, this is about set builder method. In this set builder method, we are describing the relation using a particular rule. Okay, particular rule. This is called set builder method. And next is roster method. Roster method. Roster method is nothing but just listing out the elements. Okay, what are the elements we have? We should write inside of the set and inside of the list, like, you know, instead of the set we can write 2, 4, 6, 8. We have only set x. Okay, we have only one type of set, so that's why we are representing in x only. If we have two sets, if we have two types of set, means we can take x comma y, each and every, we can represent each and every element as x comma y, but we have only one type of set, that is even numbers, right? So we can take x. And roster method is just listing out the elements inside of the set, that is called as roster method. This is all about set builder method and roster method. Okay, and we have two more new concept, that is domain and range. Domain and range. If suppose you have this diagram is known as arrow diagram because we have arrow mark in between these two sets. Okay, just we assume that we can assume like A is a set, B is a set. Okay, 2 is, this R1 represents 2 has a relation with number 1 and 4 has a relation with number 2, 6 has a relation number with 3. Okay, it is represented by R1, R2, R3. This is arrow diagram. We can say arrow diagram. Here, what is domain and what is range? Here, just look at this. In R1, this arrow mark. For this R1, what is the input? 2 is the input, right? What is the output? 1 is the output. Here, 2 is the input, 1 is the output. For R2, 4 is the input, 2 is the output. For R3, X is the input, 3 is the output. In simplest form, we can say the first set of elements that is called as domain. Second set of element is called as range in simplest form. Okay, this is very simple. First element is called as domain. Second set is range. Okay, and in another way we can say the input values are. We can say these are all input values for R1, R2, R3, and these are all outputs for R1, R2, R3. So we can say input elements are called as domain and output elements are called as range. Okay, this is all about domain and range. Now we can see here I can write domain is nothing but it's the input values in a relation. Range is nothing but output values in a relation. Okay, and next is example 1.5. Example 1.5. Here the question is the arrow diagram shows relationship between the set P and Q. Arrow diagram that is given. This picture is given in this question. Okay, this is a arrow diagram that is given in the question. The arrow diagram shows relationship between the set P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form and second roster form. Third, what is the domain and range of R? Okay, here what is given? This picture is given. This is arrow diagram, and this is a P set. This is a Q set. Okay, in P we have the elements are 5, 6, 7, 8. In Q, we have the elements of 3, 4, 5. This is the first set. This is the second set. P and Q. Okay. Now we can see the solution. Here, what is the first question? That is set builder form. Or we can say set builder method also. Okay. Set builder method. Set builder method. How we can write set builder method? Actually, as I said earlier, set builder method is nothing but describing the relation using particular rule or condition. Okay, how we can derive the condition using this diagram? Here we have two sets, right? If suppose we have only one set, we can say that is x1 elements, or we can represent each and every element as x. But here we have two sets, so we are going to represent each and every element as x comma y, x and y. Okay, so here how we can derive the particular rule like x comma y such that the condition is how we can relate this 5 and 3, how we can relate 6 and 4, how we can relate 7 and 5. Here the difference of 5 and 3 is 2, right? Here the difference of 6 and 4 is 2, and difference of 7 and 5 is 2, right? 5 minus 3, 2, right? 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. So all the difference are same. Each and every pairs difference of each and every pair is same. So how we can derive the condition x minus y equal to 2, right? The relation is x minus, here each and every element is x, each and every element is y. So x minus y equal to 2 here. Here also x minus y is equal to 2. Here also x minus y equal to 2. So how we can derive the particular rule x minus y equal to 2? X belongs to P, right? Each and every x elements belongs to P. Each and every element y elements belongs to Q. Okay, this is the format you have to follow. You have to start with the set simple, and you have to include what are the uh, elements we have, the representation of elements x comma y, and relation, this is relation x minus y equal to 2, this is same for all, right? So, and x belongs to what, y belongs to what, we need to include all these things inside of this set. That is the format for deriving particular rule or condition. Okay, this is all about set builder method. And next is roster method. Next is roster method. Already we have learned what is roster method, just listing out the elements. Okay, here in the picture, how we can list out the elements 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, and 7 comma 5, right? So roster method is all about list out the elements. Okay, but we have to include all the elements inside of this set only. This is all about roster method. And 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. Everything is presented inside of the set. Okay, this is all about roster form. And next is domain. What is domain? First set of element is domain. Second set of element is range, right? Just we had discussed about this. And what is domain? Domain is nothing but first set of element 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, and second set of element is 3 comma 4 comma 5. This is all about domain and range. Okay, and that's it. That's it about this example 1.5. If you understood this problem, if you can understand this problem, you'll be able to solve second and third problem of exercise number 1.2. Okay, that is the homework. Just check it out, try it out. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give the thumbs up, share with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thanks for listening.